Hi, I'm going to present the result of the Recycle and Reuse Product Waste Response to SDG20 for Assessment 2. This including a project introduction, precedents, and design concepts. And the conclusion. My focus question is how might we effectively recycle and reuse products waste, such as general waste or leftover food for household customers in Sydney. The design proposal responds to Sustainable Development Goal 20, which proposed to provide an effective plan for product waste recovery and reuse for every household in Sydney, and a sustainable development plan for users to recycle and use effectively increase their life cycle. The design proposal aims to provide users with a waste recycle program that promotes sustainable development and awareness of behavior change through the artistic and user-friendly proposal. Represented in Assessment 1 is a home garden product, a device that we use catching leftover as a garden fertilizer. The dust-top garbage disposal system will you all become rich nutrition food waste composite helps speed up the decomposition process. Good to go is the application design to prevent perfect leftover food from being thrown away. The company family believes that when we come together to fight food waste, we can bring about positive change in our society. The last president is the example of the art made from the waste, including sculpture, art, painting, and contemporary jewelry. Artistic proposal to assemble color and vehicle sculpture that turn discard waste into work of art. Artists remind us that every choice we make has an impact on the environment. I use the conceptual firework and the cultural bottom line firework because I want to design the field of the waste recycling. I divide waste into food waste and general waste for research and analysis, and inspired the three conceptual design schemes as a response. I invited the three potential users for persona analysis. Concept design 1 home intelligent recyclable garden product design. Build and previous research. The product will take food waste and run it through a waste disposal system that we pulverize and dry it to make fertilizer. Eliminate the oats and bacteria that come from rotting fruits as a fertilizer. Remove the fertilizer box from the bottom section and pour it into the soil to nourish the plants. In addition, the light system and the automatic water system constitute as a sustainable cycle of the household garden environment product. This product is a beautiful and smart sustainable product design aimed at families who live in apartments without garden. Concept prototype to interactive application page design. The life cycle of a product is measured by the photographing and scan item and provide recycle location and recycling suggestions. Provide a collection location and can also be sent to the artist recycle program to provide artists with the created materials. Collecting and recording the data of the scan and the recycling item by user offers recycling programs to customers. This project will institution by students majored in design at UNSW. You can put your waste or waste product into the art trash bin, and each of your waste will become a part of the art made by the design student. Aim at the concept. I made a plastic heat material experiment, and made a contemporary jewelry work with the discard plastic waste material glasses. The four pieces can be folded into a triangle through the physical interaction to convey the concept of sustainable use of the waste. The trash can be placed in school to encourage students and the public to participate. This is the final delivery plan for future course. The concept of the recycling waste sustainably will continue to develop and expand and become more comprehensive. Our goal is to steadily create an environmental and cultural where citizens are more aware of recycling, nearby reduce production and product waste. At the same time, every item and even waste can be consciously reused, effectively recycled, or realized its value. This is the reference page. Thank you, that's all.